What's going on, you guys? Griffin here with Alberta Smoke Show, and today we're going to be making a very simple, easy appetizer that you guys can have at any party, any family get together, any holiday, or if you're just looking for a quick snack at home, which is what I'm going to be doing today. So we're going to be doing bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers on the Traeger grill today. So stay tuned, you guys. We're going to show you guys A to B how to get these done, how to make them tasty, and how to make them quickly. So if you need to whip something up and be sure to impress your friends, this is going to do it. Awesome. Oh yeah. Those are good. Those are spicy too. Ooh. Alright, you guys, welcome back. So as I said in the introduction, we're going to be making some jalapeno poppers today wrapped in bacon, and we're going to be doing these on the smoker. So they're going to go on there. It takes about an hour to do with about 20 minutes of prep on the front end. Without going too much more into all the details, let's take a look and see what we're working with today. Alright, you guys, so first thing you're going to want to do is get everything together that you need. It's very simple. There's very few ingredients needed. All you're going to need is some jalapeno peppers, cream cheese. I prefer the herb and garlic cream cheese, but you can use plain cream cheese or light cream cheese in a pinch. You're going to use some bacon. Today we're going to be using turkey bacon just to add a little bit of a twist, but there's nothing wrong whatsoever with regular bacon. And then last but not least, you're going to use your favorite seasoning to put on top. So you can use salt and pepper, you can use some garlic powder, or if you have your favorite meat smoke or your favorite meat spicing, you can use that as well just to drizzle on top. So for the peppers, very simple. All you want to do is cut these guys in half. Okay, you want to get bigger. The bigger the better with these, because you're going to be able to fit more into it. But go ahead, split those in half, and then you're going to go ahead and cut out all of the insides. You want to get rid of all those seeds and all of the white bits so that you're just left with the shell of the jalapeno. All right, you guys, so just like that, you can see we've got all of our peppers hollowed out. We've got all of those jalapenos ready to go. Now, if you don't want something super spicy like the jalapenos, you can go ahead and use a regular pepper. I've done it before, but it does come out a little bit sweeter. So, next, very simple. Grab a knife, take a generous scoop of your cream cheese, and you're just gonna load these peppers. Very simple. You can add extra cheese in here if you'd like. I am not choosing to, but you can do that as well, if you so choose. Alright, you guys, so we've got all of our poppers loaded with the cream cheese. Now it's very simple. Get your rack out so you're ready to go onto the smoker. And you're just simply going to grab some bacon and you just weave these around. So very simple. Popper, bacon strip, go around just like so. Bam. And then right down onto your grill. Alright, you guys, so just like that, we've got all our poppers lined up, ready to rock. The only thing left to do is get out your favorite seasoning, shake it up, and just get a little bit of that on top here. Just go ahead and add a little dab of seasoning just to the top of these, and that's just gonna give these poppers that extra bit of pop that you're looking for. Just like that, now we're gonna go onto the smoker at 225 degrees for about an hour until these start to crisp up and look like they're ready to eat. All right, you guys, so we have had those on the smoker for, it's been about an hour and a half. Should be pretty close to done right now. Oh yeah, those look awesome. Hell yeah. Look at those poppers. Those look awesome. Those are good. Those are spicy too. Ooh, we got a nice little bit of kick to them. I like that. So as you can see, poppers are all done. That bacon crisped up real nice on the outside. You've got a little bit of the shrinking of the jalapenos on the inside. Juices have mixed up with that cream cheese a little bit. And that's it. That's how you make your smoked jalapeno poppers. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate the support. And we will see you guys on the next Alberta Smoke Show episode. Until then, you guys, see you later and happy eating.